Hey there, car audio enthusiasts! Ready to take your car's bass to the next level? Today, I'm breaking down 12 bass boosting hacks that will help you squeeze every ounce of deep, punchy bass from your subwoofer. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite bass hack. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Upgrade your subwoofer box. First up, your enclosure matters. A ported box amplifies low frequencies, while a sealed box gives you tighter bass. Pick the one that suits your music style. Tip number 2. Fine-tune your amplifier. Set the gain, low-pass filter, and bass boost carefully. Gain controls the power, low-pass filter ensures only bass frequencies reach your sub, and bass boost adds extra thump. Just don't overdo it. Tip number 3. Optimize the crossover. Set your crossover frequency to around 80 Hz to ensure your sub handles only the lows, leaving mids and highs to your main speakers. Tip number 4. Use sound deadening materials. Install materials like Dynamat in your trunk and doors to eliminate vibrations and make your bass feel tighter and more impactful. Tip number 5. Check your subwoofer placement. Position your subwoofer toward the rear of your trunk and experiment with angles. This can drastically change how the bass resonates in your car. Tip number 6. Upgrade your power supply. Your subwoofer needs power. Upgrade your car battery, alternator, or add a car audio battery or capacitor to ensure consistent performance. Tip number 7. Tighten your connections. Loose cables mean lost power. Double-check all your connections, especially the ground wire. Tip number 8. Break in your subwoofer. Play it at moderate volume for the first 20 hours to loosen the suspension system for deeper bass. Tip number 9. Adjust your head unit's EQ. Boost the low frequencies on your equalizer, but don't max it out to avoid distortion. Tip number 10. Invest in better cables. Switch to oxygen-free copper cables for improved power delivery. Tip number 11. Add a second subwoofer. Double the bass, double the fun. Just ensure your amp can handle the load. Tip number 12. Upgrade to a high-quality amp. Powerful amps deliver cleaner, deeper bass. Look for one that matches your sub's RMS rating. So which one are you trying first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips, tricks, and reviews. Let's keep the bass booming and see you in the next video.